This is so freaking yummy, guys. Blessed mac and cheese. Buttery biscuit. That hit the G spot inside my mouth, to be honest, guys. Let's try the chicken sandwich now. Got my big ass water bottle here. It's called LO. And I can bring it anywhere essentially. It's very convenient. Ow. This is a really ghetto area. It was like maybe like 2 years ago, the Megan Thee Stallion Popeyes mukbang, and then they did the Megan Thee Stallion sweet and hot sauce or something. I think in mukbangs you're not supposed to eat. I don't think you're actually supposed to eat all of it, right? I mean, it's 4 buttered biscuits. Like, this might kill me. Holy shit. It's like a tilted penis right there. Look at that. There's too much competition on Sundays. I don't know where to look on screen. I'm kind of confused. These guys, whenever I go out in public, fantasize about cheating on his wife with me, and I'm like, why are you fantasizing about cheating? Like, that doesn't make sense, right? The wives, when we bring it up, they always like stay quiet and shit, and then like, he must be cheating on his wife right now if he's admitting to that. Fuck. Go get some ice cream. I don't know about the mukbangs, guys. I think I'm not gonna be doing it ever again because this is too much junk food for me. Like, as in, like, I might die early because of it. But yeah, I'm also looking kind of pudgier in the face. Like, I can't even move right now because I had so much Popeyes. It was too much Popeyes for me. I'm not even looking cute. Like, all that Popeyes mukbang is making me look really uncute right now. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you. Put my hair down maybe. I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm too worn down. Hello. What's the creamiest thing y'all have on your menu?
The creamiest thing that we have,
Yeah.
I'd probably say the gooey butter cake.
The what?
The gooey butter cake.
What is that?
It's like it's our LTO right there. It's on the sign right there. That'll probably be our creamiest thing.
The gooey butter cake? What flavor is that, sir?
So it's just like a butter cake. So it's kind of like I don't know how to explain the butter cake. I can give you like a little sample of the butter cake.
No, I'll just get it. Can I get a small?
Anything else
Okay.
for you?
Yeah, that'll be all, sir.
Gooey butter cake.
Yeah.
It's gonna be $7.89.
Okay.
Voiceover on. Picture in picture, move to bottom right.